everyone. In this video, we're going to be learning about the bookmarks and the bookmarks bar. So, this thing up here is the bookmarks bar. Um, this is like a shortcut to opening things. I can open the Gmail very quickly. It's almost like this, but it's available anywhere. Like if I go to YouTube example, then the bookmarks bar is still there. So to add something to the bookmarks bar, you can. I have added a lot of stuff already, as you can see here. So if you want to add something, you have to example. I want to add YouTube, so I go to YouTube, and then I click this little star right here. So this star, if you click it, you can add your name, the name of the app, or where you want to keep, or the name of the bookmark. And then there's the folder. We'll be talking about the folders later. But for now, if you want to add it to this bar right here, you can click the bookmarks bar. So then you can click done, then it'll get added, or you can click remove if you don't want it. But you can also click this more part. You can see it's folders over here, the URL over here, and the name over here. So after you're done, you can save it or cancel it. So if I save it, it's not here, and it actually is here. But since this full bookmarks bar is full, it's not able to hold anything else. It has created a little arrow right here. So this arrow holds few extra bookmarks which can't fit in here. So now I want to add YouTube right next to Gmail. So I drag YouTube all the way. Oops, sorry. Drag YouTube all the way. Then it shows up this line. So that's where it's gonna be added. So I want it near Gmail, and there it comes. So then, if you notice, like one of my bookmarks came in here because there was no space for it, so therefore it came in here. And then there's this button right here. It's called the side panel. So the side panels have these things. It has a lot of things: a reading list, journeys, bookmarks. So we'll be focusing on bookmarks. I'll do more about this side panel in a different video. So the bookmarks bar is I have this folder right here. Um, I haven't kept anything in it yet. So there's this bookmarks bar folder which I mostly use, and then there's this little arrow right here. So if I click it, it's going to show all the bookmarks that are there. And you can remove or you can delete a bookmark by right clicking it and clicking delete. Or if you want to delete it, you can also delete it from here by clicking you're right clicking it and then clicking delete. So it gets deleted. So then now we're gonna be seeing on folders. So first we're gonna learn on how to add a folder. So to add a bookmark, you can right click any folder and then click bookmark manager. Or there's a shortcut, you can right click it and then click add folder. So this folder you're creating can't be added, like it can be added only inside a folder. It can't be added it can't be added outside any folder. It can't be a lonely folder. Like it has to be under one of the folders that are already there. So I'm gonna name this video folder. and then click save. And now it shows the folders I added: video folder, under the bookmarks bar, and you can add more. So I have this here, right here. So you can keep adding more folders to keep your things organized, bookmarks organized. I usually keep other folders in other bookmarks because I don't want them in the bookmarks bar out here. So you can't add the folders like without a folder. You can only put the folder in a folder according to what this is showing. So that's all about bookmarks. And also, stay tuned because I'm gonna make another video on the side panel. And if you wanna learn about that, then you should see that video after I create it. So bye bye.